They say to cut this into manageable lengths, but that ain't the way I roll. The whole thing. What up, buddy? Well, since fall's here, start to lose our leaves, that's our gutter. I do have some wire. I've started on the other side. I'm gonna get over here on this side because of all these trees right here. Dropping everything on the roof and filling the gutters up. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean these up, put you on a time lapse and clean out the gutters first. Tried to get Willie to come up here and help me, but he just wants to roll around. No help at all. Now comes the fun part. Putting this metal cover on top of the gutters. I see hand cuttings all the time here. whole thing. I think that'll keep the leaves out. Looks pretty good for the first one. 3 more rows to go. I didn't have enough of the other stuff. I got to right there. With that cheap plastic stuff, I'm going to use the metal on this because it does a lot better job. Yeah, I like that metal a whole lot better than that plastic. Looks better. I think it's going to be stronger. But I'm out. I still got about a quarter of a house to do on the other side. I have to get some more.
What is all that racket?
Huh?
You woke me up.
Oh, sorry.
Was it clogged up?
Well, you know, I ran out. I was just telling them that plastic crap is crap. This metal.
Did you cut it apart? Do you need scissors to cut it apart?
I got cutters.
Oh, okay.
So I'm fixing to do this. Then I can do the end of the back, but I'll still have to get another roll for.
You want to redo where the? You gonna redo where the plastic is?
I might not this year.
Yeah. We need to do the cabin too.
Yeah. I'm gonna finish this right here.
Y'all look at the leaves.
Already.
Well, the acorns too, as you can see, they're eating. These squirrels are gonna be fat, and they're fat and sassy. They're out every morning, every evening. Thick. We have some young ones. I hear Willie. Hi. Well, Shaky Bacon, you want inside? He says it's nap time. Is it nap time, Willie? It is. Let's go get your nap time. Come on. He's my baby boy. Yeah. He'll be mad I didn't go in with him. Look at the color already on those trees over there. Those are dogwood. I believe all of them are dogwood, maybe. I don't know. I can't tell, but this little dogwood right here has died. This one right here by the porch, for some reason, we watched it just dry up and die. I think the black ants left that one we cut up and come over here. Did you get it cut?
Oh.
I can't see. See if you can jerk it down. That ain't up in there very far. I'll go get the walker. Did they let you go?
I got one side. There's
Did you?
two pieces.
Briars are real. There should be plenty. Thank you.
Come on, soft, turn the key and cooler on. Push the pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun.